Do 2021 Bronco wheel spacers affect ride quality? Many people want to know if installing Bronco wheel spacers will negatively impact the car's incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality Bronco wheel spacers on your vehicle will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why Bronco wheel spacers don't cause issues. As long as the wheel spacer matches your car's bolt pattern and hub bolt, it will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Hub-centric quality Bronco wheel spacers can maintain proper balance. Install hub-centric Bronco wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Bronco wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the leg nuts can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Bronco wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. BONOSS Bronco wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Bronco wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Bronco wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake pulling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Overall, high-quality Bronco wheel spacers, properly installed, have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality Bronco wheel spacers will enhance ride quality. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for your Ford Bronco, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.